I've been a geologist with ArcelorMittal for 6 years, and I have a bachelor degree in Earth and Planetary Sciences from McGill University. As geologists, we're at the beginning of the chain. We find the ore that is later mined. In concrete terms, we organize the diamond drilling campaigns, model the deposits, and do quality control. We make sure to send only the right ore to the crusher with no contaminants. In fact, the quantity and quality of the ore found are very important. I also do office work, which makes for a nice balance. My days are far from repetitive and monotonous. I really can't imagine doing anything else. What motivates me the most is working together with the various mining engineering teams. If I find something unexpected in my boreholes, I notify the planning department and they adjust production operations to reflect that. It's motivating to see that my work has an impact on others' work. I'd say to a young person wanting to work in a mine that it's the best job in the world in the most breathtaking environment in the world. No exaggeration.
I've been a driller for many years. I was trained here, in-house. As a driller, my job is to dig into the ground so the blasters can set their dynamite charges. The drill is an impressive piece of equipment. It's really exciting to operate. We work in diverse terrains. There are constant challenges. For example, water is a big challenge. If we hit water, it will fill up the hole and we'll bungle the job. It takes proper expertise. When I'm on difficult terrain and I get my hole right, it's very validating. I'm proud of being good at my trade and doing my job well. In the mining industry, the working conditions are good and the salaries are attractive. It's a unique chance to work with the biggest equipment in the world.
I'm a mechanic on the crusher at ArcelorMittal, and I have a DVS in industrial mechanics. Day to day, my job is to find mechanical problems in the equipment, repair them, and give the machine back to its operator as quickly as possible so as not to slow down operations. What impresses me the most here is the scale of some of the machines, their variety and complexity. Each piece of equipment has a different purpose and complements the work of other people. What I like most is the variety of the work. It's never monotonous. There are always challenges to deal with. It's very rewarding. Choosing the right training is the best way to fulfill your dream of working in a mine. Today, it's become very automated and computerized. You can't just learn on the job like before. You need training and computer skills.
I'm a mineralogy technician and I work on the concentrator at ArcelorMittal. I studied mineral technology at Cégep de Sept-Îles. My job is to analyze the quality and quantity of the ore we find. I do sampling and scans of the grinding mills and crushers to check the wear and tear of the liners. I constantly keep an eye on the overall condition of the concentration line to make sure everything's working as it should. I have a feeling of accomplishment when I see I can improve processes and when the team can have a positive impact on production. What I like is that I never do the same thing. The tasks are really diverse and I'm constantly learning. Plus, we're constantly evolving over the years with technology. Anyone who likes learning and being at the cutting edge would love working here.
I have a DVS in driving construction machinery. I've been driving mining equipment for almost 7 years now. I drive all kinds of trucks here, from the smallest to the biggest, so 200-ton, 240-ton, and 400-ton. My job is basically moving material from the pit to the crusher. There are some big challenges, especially due to the weather conditions. It can be very slippery. The equipment is large and can be hard to handle. You have to be on the lookout all the time. I feel validated by being able to control my machine, being effective, safe, and fast. There are good jobs at the mine. Young people who want to do this will have an exceptional experience. What's also cool is that women have worked here for a long time. There are women in every trade. I've never had a problem because I'm a woman. It's a very modern mentality.
Dream big. Choose a career in mining. Looking for a fascinating profession? Choose among over 50 college, university, and vocational study programs.